How traffic and commuting every day affect your health. There's no escaping the problem of traffic congestion, whether it because too many vehicles on the road, repairs of flood, braving horrendous traffic, and suffering unbearable commutes have become part of our daily routine. Aside from being inconvenienced and spending hours on the road, there are also serious side effects that traffic and commuting can do to your health. The person is stressed, as if having a long day at work isn't tiring enough, being stuck in Carmageddon will surely push one stress button. Too much stress can cause sleeplessness, palpitation, memory loss, and even cardiac arrest. However, you can manage commuting stress by transforming your space, no matter how cramped, into something more soothing. Even in the midst of traffic, you can calm your senses with music and scent. The second is higher risk of a heart attack. If you're spending more time commuting, then that means you have less time to do other activities like exercise. According to World Heart Federation and World Health Organization, more than 60% of global population is not sufficiently active. As such, you risk developing cardiovascular conditions such as hypertension, abnormal blood, lipids, and obesity. According to research, those who have had a heart attack are likely to report having been in traffic shortly before their symptoms began, shared the Heart Association at its 49th Annual Conference on Cardiovascular Disease Epidemiology and Prevention. The third is respiratory problem. Then things get really stressful when often advised to inhale and exhale to relax, but breathing polluted air, especially during rush hour when concentration of pollutants in very high can lead to respiratory problems. The lungs work like sponge, taking toxic pollutants such as carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxide into the body. Long-term exposure of air pollution increase the risk of developing disease such as asthma, emphysema, bronchitis, and even cancer. What is the impact of solid waste in our health? First, bacteria, insects, and vermin thrive from garbage. Overflowing wasted bins are an ideal breeding ground for bacteria, insects, and vermin. The flies that visit the garbage are also the same flies that roam around your lunch, buffet, and drop their offspring on your plate. By doing so, they increase the risk of you contracting with salmonella, which cause typhoid fever, food poison, enteric fever, gastroenteritis, and other major illnesses. Besides, flies, other animals that thrive from the garbage in and around the containers include rats, foxes, and stray dogs. The second is overflowing waste cause air pollution and respiratory disease. One of the outcomes of overflowing garbage is air pollution, which cause various respiratory disease and other adverse health effects, and contaminants are absorbed from lungs into the other parts of the body. The toxic substances in air contaminated by waste include carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane. In everyday life, we identify the polluted air especially through bad odors, which are usually caused by decomposing and liquid waste items.